So, hey guys, it's me, Claire, and today it's me. Hey guys, it's me, Claire, and today I have another video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all my ceremonial slimes. I have 6 altogether, but the other ones are my slime palette, so yeah. So, starting off with this one. Oh, not this one, I mean this one. So this one is very, very thick and glossy and very pokey. If you guys want an ASMR video, then please comment. So guys, this is this one. It's so nice. Guy. Back in, now I have this thermal slime. It's also very clicky, glossy. Whoa, this is really good. I never knew it was this good. Oh my gosh, I should play with my slimes more often. I barely play with them, so that's why I forgot how the texture. And guys, all of them, the texture's different. So guys, I'm gonna be doing some ASMR. That's a horrible swear, but it's okay. This one. I think it's my favorite, but not yet. I don't know. So I didn't touch mine in such a long time. So then I have one in this heart-shaped container. Ooh, this is really good. I think for this one, a more wishes for this to be more glossy, so it's not as glossy as the other ones, but it's still pretty glossy. Because my friend Yuha, she came to my house yesterday and she asked me if she could dye my ceramic slime. But I thought she was talking about her cake batter slime which she made out of my house. But she was talking about this, and I almost said yeah, but then I looked at it and I goes, now it's supposed to be white. Doesn't she know that it's supposed to be white? Cereal milk. The milk is white, so QDASMR. You guys can see me. So that's this one in the heart-shaped container. And last one, fourth, this is my favorite one I have. It's so good. This is so thick, so glossy. Even the camera picks up the gloss. Wait, maybe. But it is a super glossy. You don't even know what I'm talking about. It's super glossy, super clicky. And it's also super drizzly. It's everything you need in a slime. Here's I'm going to do some ASMR. Okay, this is too sticky for me to do ASMR. But just saying, I'm guessing this is gonna be my favorite author out. It's in this container, but it's just my little cousin's name and stuff. It's just Leanna, aka Sion. I need to like pick it out. Okay. Sorry guys about that moment. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my slime palette. Oh wait guys. At the end I'll do some of like that tennis racket thing. So here I have my palette with slime. If you guys want like a slime collection video, just say so down below and I will surely do it for you guys. This used to be my favorite, but I think my friend played with it too much named Yuha. So it turned really hard. Like, it looks all good, but it's actually not. Right now it's ripping everywhere. And I'm going pretty slow. It just ripped, so look guys. I was going really slow for that one, see? So I'm so mad about that, because if you add water, it'll turn jiggly. If you add lotion, it'll turn jiggly as well. So I'm sort of upset about that, because I think there's no way to fix this. Because this used to be super good. But because of somebody, it's not good anymore. Okay, but the next ceramic slime, I don't think this is ceramic slime because it's very thin, but it was an attempt. It's really clicky, glossy, but not as thick. Okay, guys, are you guys excited? I'm going to be doing some of that tennis racket thing, but I'm just going to be doing it with my favorite one of all. Guys, this table's so small, and I just like put my knees up for real. I just like, oops. Sorry. Sorry guys if you hear any background noise. My noises were like sort of in the middle of a movie. You guys hear that? Guys, so that's that stupid slime. So guys, I'm gonna give you guys a little tip how to like clean your tennis racket. Get rid of like a medium, like not too stiff, not too hard slime. Like this red one, it's not too stiff, but it's not too good. And then just rub it up and down. Turn it around, because sometimes it just goes backwards again. Do that until it's all done, like this one. So, okay, guys, now I'm going to talk to you guys about something. So, guys, I have another few videos coming up at February, I think, and they're both two squishy packages. Squishy packages. I think now I'm not squishy's not anymore slime. Bye, slime. Bye. But I am so excited. So guys, that's all I'm saying because I don't want to say much. So bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. What? Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Wait guys. Gel pens. Buy them on Indigo. Okay, so anyways, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below some more video suggestions and subscribe and like my friends' channels. I'll tell them it is a new love. It is a new, no, it's Rainbow Feelings 101, and there's an and what is the and? Oh yeah, and Shadow Yuna, and Rainbow, and Sweet Honey 93 and Sweet Honey 26. So yeah, bye guys.